6. Let's just tackle it. It says write an equation of an ellipse with all this stuff. Is that what you meant, Michaela? That 26? Okay. We'll get there. Hang tight, kid. Sorry to tell you, but you've got low priority status. Till later. Nothing personal. So 0, 5, 0, negative 5. If I plot these, and you're very careful about labeling what you plot, it'll help you picture, say, oh, those are foci. Oh, those are vertices. I'm reading it wrong, by the way. This is 26. But if you label really carefully, vertice. So that's a vertice, and then it says foci 0, 2, and negative 2. I'm going to go in with some multicolor action, and I know maybe you don't have that option. F and F, and I say it's an ellipse. I'm counting on your prowess with an ellipse, saying, oh, I get it, it's one of these. It's going to look like this thing. It may not be as nice as Tanner's ellipse, but it's pretty nice. Okay? What that tells me, you have to know what they mean. You are now completely fluent in conic language. The distance to F is the length of C. So you're going, oh, C is 2. The distance to the major vertex, because it's in line with that focal point, is A, is 5. If you know the meanings of the value A, major axis distance to the major vertex, C is the distance to the focal point, A is 5 and C equals 2 are freebies, and you're like, awesome, I got this. If you want B, you're dependent on A squared equals B squared plus C squared, the Pythagorean relationship formula, to go get those values.
Do we have to memorize each?
No, I'll have that formula for you. So, good question. So basically, if you didn't have to memorize it before, it's going to be around. You'll have it. We guys think on the B. 25 minus 4, so root 21. Are you glad I said root 21 and not what I usually say? Does that make you guys happy?
Yes.
Okay. Now, write an equation, it says. So your job, after all is said and done, is to say, Mr. Seeley, it's an ellipse. There's a plus sign in there. It's equal to 1, Mr. Seeley, it's an ellipse. But what do I put first, X or Y? And it's
Y.
Because I want to know. It's the vertical, right? You're exactly right. It is Y. Because it goes up and down, A is going to go with the axis, the major axis on an ellipse, the big kahuna. And if it's vertical, it's under Y. My vertex is 0, 0, so I'm going to put minus 0 in there for emphasis. A is going to be big there. And then since my minor axis B went left and right, I'm going to put that under X. Little b, and that's my equation. See you guys a little later.